Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. I have a couple of new deals that I want to share with you all. We do have a new run glitch deal, plus I have some updates on yesterday's run glitch deal. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, first up, here's your quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week. I believe we have a total of 4 right now, and this one makes 5. So we've got new coupons, run glitches, penny list, clearance info, all kinds of good stuff. So if you have missed out on any of these videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start this video off with updates about yesterday's run glitch deal. So as I'm sure a lot of you all already know, we have the Purina glitch going on. In that video, I shared 2 different ways that y'all can do this deal. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and watch it all the way through. Now, I did run out last night, and I did try this deal a couple of different times, and I didn't have any issues with it, so this glitch is still a go. However, I have noticed a few things that I wanted to share with you all because I have been reading the comments, and I also noticed something while I was at the store. So first up, we're going to go ahead and talk about the comments section. Now, y'all know I value your feedback, and if you all go out and do a deal and you have any issues, I really appreciate it when you come back and leave a comment and give specifics. So old register, new register, self-checkout, which items you scanned first, what happened at the register, all those things are really helpful. And that way we can kind of figure out what exactly is going on. So the first thing that I noticed was that a few people were having issues at new register stores and self-checkout. So if you guys can avoid the new registers and the self-checkouts, I would definitely do that. So this deal is for sure still working at old register stores, and you can also put this in as a pickup order. So if you only have new register stores in your area, go ahead and put the deal in as a pickup order, and you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever with those coupons applying. Now, the other thing that I noticed, like I said, I tried the deal several different times last night right before the store closed, and I noticed that on my first deal, everything worked out perfectly. I picked up the dog food with the bacon strips. I paid $6.32 for all 3 products. On my second deal, I did the same thing, but I picked up different flavors. So what I can tell you all this morning is that this deal is for sure working on the chicken and lamb Purina 1 dry dog food, and it is for sure working on the original bacon strips as well as the bacon and cheese bacon strips. However, both coupons did not come off when I picked up the Purina 1 Healthy, and you guys will see what I'm talking about once you get into the store. There are 3 or 4 different types of the Purina 1 dry dog food, and there's a healthy one, there's like a chicken, and then I think there's a beef as well. So what you all can do is when you're in the store, if you're not sure which ones you want to pick up or which ones are working with this coupon, go ahead and scan the item, add it to your cart in the DG app while you're standing there, all right? And then also grab your bacon strips, or whichever way you want to do the deal. There are 2 different ways that you can do this deal. So go ahead and add everything to your cart, and in the cart it will show you that both coupons are applying, or if just one of those coupons are applying, that means that you need to grab a different flavor, probably of the Purina 1 dog food. So the picture that you're looking at right now on your screen, plus the one that came right before it, are screenshots of my cart on my DG app, and that is what it should look like before you go up to the register. And then once you get up to the register, everything should run smoothly, or you can just put it in as a pickup order while you're standing there, and that way at least you know that they have the items in stock and they won't be canceling an order because one of your items isn't there. So hopefully that will help a few of y'all out who have been having issues with this glitch. And like I said before, it's always helpful for me and also for you if you come back and leave me specifics. That way I can kind of take a look at what happened, new register, old register, which coupons came off, what didn't, and then hopefully we can try to kind of figure it out together. But like I always say, glitches can end at any time. So also keep that in mind as well. Now we are going to move on to another update, and I actually shared this deal with you all last week. So hopefully you guys watched that video. If you didn't, go back and check it out, because in that video I talk about instant savings and kind of explain how to incorporate instant savings in with your 5 off $25 scenarios. So there's a lot of really good information in that video, even though it is from last week. So let's go ahead and get into this update on this deal. We have instant savings going on right now at Dollar General. It is save $3 when you spend $10 on Palmolive, Suavitel, Fabuloso, and Murphy products. And we just received a new 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Ajax and Palmolive dish soaps. So the 70 fluid ounce Palmolives, they're priced at $5.50. If you want to pick up one, you're going to end up paying $4.50 after that coupon is applied. However, if you want to pick up two, that is going to put you over that $10 spend threshold for the instant savings to be applied. So pick up two, that's going to put you at $11. The $3 in instant savings will come off, plus that 1-off-1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7 out of pocket. However, this deal gets even better because right now on the DG app, we have a DG cashback offer of $2 back on the Palmolive 70 fluid ounce bottles. So you're going to get a total of $4 back. That is going to make your final price $3 for two 70-ounce Palmolive dish soaps. So that makes those just $1.50 each, which is a fantastic deal. Now, again, I do want to go ahead and warn you all that this is a glitch deal, because when we use a digital coupon, we are not supposed to get the cash back on the same product. So the glitch part is that we are getting back that extra $2 where we use that digital coupon as well. So if this deal does not glitch for you and it only gives you back the $2 cash back on the Palmolive where we did not use a digital coupon, that is going to make your final price $5 for two, which is still a fantastic deal. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about some new glitches that we have going on at Dollar General today. It is back. We have the 5-off-1 Caesar digital coupon. It is back and it is glitching. So here is one option for you all. You can pick up the Caesar wet dog food 6-packs. They're priced at $8. After that digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3 out of pocket. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the Caesar Simply Crafted wet dog food trays. These are priced at $2. So pick up one of those, use that digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free, plus give you $3 in overage. Now, there are 3 different flavors that this coupon is working with. So here we have the beef, chicken, purple potatoes, peas, and carrots. Up next, we have the regular Caesar Simply Crafted chicken. And here in just a second, you're going to see the chicken, carrots, barley, and spinach flavors. So pick up one, use that digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $3 in overage. Now, this is at old register stores only. If you do this deal at a new register store or at self-checkout, it is only going to make the item free. It will not give you the overage. So y'all keep that in mind. And also, never ever let the cashiers give you cash back. You always want to have something added into your transaction for that overage to apply to. So if you wanted to pick up the Palmolive deal, for instance, you would pay $5 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $4 for that Palmolive deal. And also, don't forget to scan those receipts into Fetch Rewards, and also check your Shopkick accounts, because we have had deals on the Caesar wet dog food trays over the last few weeks. So make sure that you check both of those rebate apps. If you're not signed up, my referral codes are on the screen as well as down in the description box below. Now, we are already almost 10 minutes into this video, and I have packed as much information into this one video as I possibly can. So I need you all to do me a favor and make sure that you stay tuned, because I have even more deals, more information and more glitches to share with you all. As you all know, we have this amazing 2 off 10 back to school DG store coupon right now. I have already put together a couple of amazing scenarios, plus new information and new glitches that we have to talk about. So don't run out and use all of those 2 off 10s just yet, because this coupon does not expire until July the 22nd. Like I said, I have some amazing deals, information, and glitches that I cannot wait to share with you all. So that video will be coming up next along with my Dollar General haul. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Good luck out there, and I will see you on the next one.